Traders and investors are on record rally watch again this week. Let's bring in Michelle Schneider, the Chief Market Strategist at MarketGauge. Good to see you, Mish. This market is unbelievable. What are your three to watch?
Well, the first thing to watch is, we know that SPY, NASDAQ, and Dow all made new all-time highs, but not the Russell 2000. It could mean nothing. It could mean that it's playing catch-up, or it could mean something because we've been here before where we see these incredible rallies, growth-generated rallies, and yet all of a sudden the small caps become an anchor. And so I think you have to watch the small caps. We've got to get through, if we're looking at IWM, that 210 level, which has been the recent high, not the all-time high. And you also have to watch transportation with that, and I think that's one of the reasons why we're not seeing those small caps fly yet, because IYT is actually been red for most of last week while everything else was flying. So that's the first thing that we're really watching for before we get too excited. The second thing, of course, would be outside of the U.S., the emerging markets. We saw a tremendous rally last week in China, but there are a couple of other countries to watch that are more commodity generated. One would be South Africa because of the mining there, so that symbol is EZA. And the other would be Latin America, ILF, which of course is also a very thick commodity producing area. So we've got eyes on that. We already have a position in Latin America.
What else, Mish, are you buying or holding?
So the other third thing, since we're all about commodities, and those of you who have been watching with me and Ange for a long time know that we've been all over the metals and the oils and the natural gas. Now there's one little commodity left that I think we have to watch, and that is sugar, which has really well underperformed. And if we really are going into some kind of a hyperinflation super cycle, sugar has to participate as it did in the late 70s. It traded down to 18 cents a pound. We're watching to see if it gets back over 19 cents a pound. And if that starts to get some legs, then I think we really have to continue the narrative, not just on commodities moving, but commodities outperforming.
Have a great trading week.
Thank you so much.
Go to business.